Transversals. Here we go. Basically, that means you have two parallel lines with a line that cuts through them. Two parallel lines. Okay, so I have two parallel lines with a line that goes through both of them. One thing you will notice, I hope, is that you have these little angles here. All of these little angles will be equal. So if I make this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we think back in our brains to vertical angles, remember I can't spell vertical? Oh, I'm frozen. Hold on. There we go. Vertical angles are equal, right? Vertical angles are equal. 1 and 3 are vertical angles. Angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical. 5 and 7 are vertical. Okay, so that means all 4 of these angles are exactly the same measure. Now, the same thing on the other side. Okay, I have this angle here and this one. I have this one and this one. So 2 and 4, and then 6 and 8. Those are all the vertical angles. The other thing you need to remember about transversals is you have a lot of supplementary angles. So, right here, 1 plus 2 equal 180. So remember, the vertical angles are ones that are across from each other. They don't share a line. So 1 and 3 don't share any lines. 1 and 2 have this line going through the middle. They share a line, they're supplementary. So we can do the same thing with like angle 6 and 7. Those are supplementary. Okay. That's very minimal basics of transversals. Now, I'm gonna make me a new transversal here. I'll make it smaller this time. There we go. Closer together. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. If I say angle 1 equals 58 degrees, and And I want to know what all of the angles are. Tells me this is 58 degrees. So I know that 1 and 3 are 58. Okay. I also know that 5 and 7 are going to be 58. That is because these two angles in the middle, they share this line, so this adds to 180. So all the small ones are the same, all the big ones are the same. So now I just go 58 plus x is 180. My x is going to equal, wait, 180 minus 50, 122. Okay, so if this one is 122, all of the rest of these equal angles are going to be the same. Oops. Okay. 6, angle 8. So these will all be the same. I have my transversals. And it says that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It says angle 3 is 16x plus 10. And it says angle 5 is 19x minus 20. Okay, I know that 3 and 5 are equal, because 1 and 3, 5 and 7, all the small ones are going to be equal. So I'm just going to put the equations equal to each other. Okay. I'm going to combine the x's on one side and the numbers on the other side. So I have 30 equals 3x. I divide by 3, my x is going to equal 10. Okay, now, if it says angle 7 is minus 17x plus 20, and angle 4 is 19x minus 4, these, I have a small one and a big one, so these I'm going to have to add. 7 and 4 are going to be supplementary. So instead of making them equal to each other, they add to 180. These two right here were vertical. These other two are supplementary. Supplementary, I'm doing 4 and 7. 4 and 7 are supplementary. So I'm just going to add the two together and put them equal to 180. So I'm going to have 19x minus 4 plus plus the minus 17x plus 20, and that is going to all equal 180. So I'm going to combine my like terms on this side first. So I'm going to have 2x plus 16 equals 180. Uh, 2x is going to equal 1. Shoot, my lid. 164. X is going to equal 82. Okay.